Hey everyone, you're here today with Mark Boutwell here at Perf Gardens TV. Today we have a series of different videos. We're going to be actually assembling our grow room behind you with Dl Wholesale. So let's go ahead and today get started with some of the first products we're going to be discussing, and we're going to build out a grow room. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below. So today we have another great product that I wish I had 5 to 10 years ago. Oh boy, how much time I would have saved, and frustration and fatigue, and probably made a lot more money too if I was able to process the mint and the lavender flower that we used to grow in just such a large amount back in the day. This product right here is a grater that Dl Wholesale carries. One of the things I love about Dl Wholesale is that they're super innovative. They're creating the products that this market uses, and they're bringing certain products to light that other people aren't willing to do. Right here today we have Manny right next to me to talk to me a little bit about this product and the different grades and sizes and how to use it.
The first compartment will hold your largest flowers. The second compartment will hold your more medium-sized flowers, and your third will hold your more popcorn-sized, little tiny little popcorn-sized flowers. And after that is your trim and leaves, and all the excess that just ends up at the bottom of the bag that no one really likes to have. This is great because you're able to quickly sift through, get all your tops, your mids, and your lows, and your trim really fast, and within like a minute. I mean, you could use this to process a bunch and just not have to hire any workers. You're just like processing stuff on your own, and you are good to go.
I was actually pretty surprised, as you can see here when we tested this with our CBD hemp flower, how well it processed all the way from the largest flowers all the way down to the pollen off the plant. I was blown away, and just like anything else, this is just another accessory for your grow room. You know, from here, when you have your different flowers processed, each of these flowers are going to have different values with the CBD market, or lavender or hemp, all the way across the board. People are going to want different sizes, and because there's more essential oil concentrations on different sizes. So, and in the marketplace, you use different size flowers for processing later down the road, and different sizes are better for different groups because they have different type of machinery and different ways of processing. So this machine is absolutely essential, and as you can see, when it goes from the largest to the smallest, after you separate it, you're going to want to separate it in our vacuum seal and the DL vacuum seal bag. They're 5 times thicker than other bags. That means that you're going to hold the integrity of the product 5 times longer because it's keeping the moisture in the bag. If you want to extend the shelf life of this product and increase the value of the product, there's other products you can use like Boost, and they come in different humidipack concentrations. The ideal is anywhere from 55 to 62%, and as you can see here, DL carries the larger packs that are meant for about a pound, or that will last anywhere from 2 to 3 months, and all the way down to the smaller amounts that are just meant for a few grams and your daily traveling kit. And after you bag up all your CBD or lavender or rosemary herbs, you're going to have to carry it around. And DL Wholesale carries a full lifestyle brand, actually 2 separate brands that I actually love, and I've purchased both of these kits. Manny, will you please talk to me a little bit more about these products?
We carry the Funk Fighter. This is our daily line, which is more for smaller product needs. We have a little tiny cute bag, and we have a little maybe like a travel bag. And this is our daily backpack, which comes in black or gray. We have a gym bag, which also comes in black or gray. This gym bag is really cool because it features double flaps, which ensure that no smell is going to be able to escape this. It is double carbon locked, so there's 2 layers of carbon filtering. on these bags.
And if you're a little bit larger grower and you might have a little bit larger amount of harvest,
We have our AWOL brand for when you need to just fit that extra amount, just like that perfect amount. You could probably fit like 10 or 15 pounds in here, maybe 20 depending on your bulk mass. And we have our bigger duffel bag, which is our hefty boys. Probably could fit maybe 50 pounds depending on your mass.
maybe 25.
25.
30 pounds in that bag. And then also I saw the little bit larger one that you can probably carry about 50 to 70 pounds. And those are on DL Wholesale or perfectgardens.com. Get your vacuum bags here and make sure you get all the essential things you're going to need so you're growing the best product and you're able to store it, cure it, and protect it against all the elements. Thank you so much. And once again, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below so that you can watch the next potentially 20 to 30 videos building out this grow room behind us.